Good afternoon, folks. How is everyone? Just wanted to share another beauty by Trimax. What do we got here? You don't come by these ones every day anymore. If you do, they're pretty roughed up. But here is an extra clean 2014 BMW 750 Li, white on white, M-Sport rims, steering wheel, suspension, and everything else that comes standard on the M-Sport engine. Folks, here's a great situation on this one. This vehicle has a brand new engine from BMW. Brand new, not reman, not junkyard. Brand new 750 Li engine from BMW that comes with 2 years unlimited miles on the engine parts warranty. So white on white, absolutely gorgeous. It's like alpine white. It just looks gorgeous. Cameras everywhere, of course xenon lights. I mean, options wise, I will be talking you guys to death about how many options. It's got everything. So I'm gonna start peeking inside. Let's start here. Here is your M emblem on all the doors, M emblem on the bottom of the steering wheel. Gorgeous dash. Seats are in excellent condition. Folks, we don't get these every day like this. All right, memory seat for the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. Here's your rear door. Li is a long body, of course, plenty of space for the back seat. There it is. White on white. Let's close this up. Tires are in excellent condition. Of course, they are staggered M rims. Huge trunk. Here's your driver rear door. No rip, stairs nowhere. Extra clean. Here's the driver door. Lane assistance. Radar cruise. And it's got everything, folks. As an option that you can choose on a M-Sport, she's got it all. Lumbar support and everything, different driving modes, everything you can control on the dash with that knob there. Pedal shifters if you want to get the true performance feeling out of it. I wish you guys can see the true color. Actually, maybe I should open the windows. Let's open the sunroof too. Maybe you guys can get some more light. And my shadow is not helping. But it's white on white. Absolute beauty. Very, very rare. Brand new M-Sport engine installed. Let's see how the... let me get inside here so I can close this up. Hood is open, the door is open. I'm gonna turn back. completely detailed, just been inspected, fresh. And folks, there's gonna be over 100 photos on our website, trimaxauto.com, 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. And any questions about sales, service, finance, he can help you guys out. This is how they run when they're happy. Direct fuel injection. Twin turbo V8 powerhouse. If you're talking about comfort and power on the biggest body, there you have it. Yeah, there she is. Absolute beauty. Well, with brand new engine, for God's sake. You would think so, right?
It shows just how down to earth and caring he is. Sincere about turning your life around. Recently at a concert, he posted this on Instagram.
All right, I'm gonna do one last walk around with everything closed up. Tinted windows. I'm sure you guys noticed it. It is absolutely gorgeous day. All right, folks, if you guys have any questions, trimaxauto.com, 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. We'll be happy to help you guys out. We appreciate your business. Thank you for all the referrals, everything. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Thank you so much.